yes! Woo! Tadeo! Stick him, baby! Stick him and rip him! Yeah! Is that your PB?
Second. This is the biggest.
No, that's what I'm saying. Personal best, PB.
Oh yeah.
Because it's bigger than the other one you caught, right?
Yeah.
I guarantee that's a 30. I'm gonna say 38. Nice.
This is bigger than what I thought.
Fuck yes. I'm gonna let. We'll
How are you?
Let me get
my
this.
breath.
Yeah, let me get this out of the way. Let me see if my live bait's because I was tangled up in you for a second. So, because dude, I wouldn't mind going back to back right now. Fuck yes, dude. Nice.
Yeah, I was letting the line out, then all of a sudden the line just.
Oh, that's a 40.
It just
That's
fucking took off.
yeah. So it hit it before it even got to the bottom?
Oh, fuck yeah, it was on its way down.
Yeah. I guarantee it's probably a 40. I said 38.
Almost 40.
40.
Oh, 38.
No, it goes to 39 point. I'm gonna say 39 or 40, dude. That's fucking, I can't be able to do it because it's. All right, let off.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Nice. Sweet.
You have to turn the GoPro on?
No, it's already recording right now.
Oh.
Just, yeah. Might have to stand back here a little bit further away, but if not, I got you some photos. Look at this.
I gotta fit in there.
That's awesome.
Just lay him on the deck.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if we put them all the way up front, I mean, have you been all the way up there? I mean, like, is that wasted space up there? Have you been,
yeah,
like, if we go all the way up at the front? I might reset us. Oh. Here I go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go, dude. Come on, you fucking bastard. Come on, baby. That's a nice fish.
Mm-hmm.
God, that's a good fish. Send that to Carlos. You got his number? I'm gonna have to
I
fucking...
might have.
Damn, they love that big swim bait. I'm gonna have to get one of those things. Wouldn't mind sticking one more.
Yeah.
Fuck, now that we got the fish dirt, or now we got the boat dirty, we might as well stick one more and really get it bloody and slimy. God, dude, have you ever felt one of those on a jig? What'd you catch the other one on with Julio? live bait.
Yeah.
Dude, cause I caught a 70 and a couple 40s like that one, but on the jig though, and it's insane when you're just like sitting here jigging, like not paying attention, and one of those hits. It just like, it's crazy.